guys, it's Bricks here, and welcome to my first ever bonus video. And today I'm going to be doing a collab with Mikey339, or Michael, as you've probably seen him if you watch my live stream. He's also been featured in a couple of my other videos. And Archimedillo, he is mainly Michael's friend, but I kind of know him. So, anyways, like I said, my first bonus video, and basically we're just going to be doing like not Lego related stuff. And it's not going to be that often. My channel's still going to be Lego focused, but yeah. So we're going to be doing a Nerf war, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so we're actually at Michael's house right now, and so we get the front yard actually I'm the only person on my team, so I get the front yard, and yeah, so let's just go over my layout real quick. It's really simple. This is the Venture Force Villainator. I've heard a lot of good stuff about it. It's cheap, but 40 round drum, and it fires really hard. Here, watch this. I mean, there's like rival guns and stuff that's better, but that's pretty good, not gonna lie. So yeah, I don't really have a plan per se. I have the biggest capacity by far, so mainly I'm just gonna rely on that. So yeah. Also, if you want to see the full thing, go to Michael's channel. It's Mikey339, and you can check out the other half. So yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so we each have 3 lives. Like I said, I'm just gonna rely on me having a bigger capacity. But I also gotta be sneaky because I'm the lone wolf. I'm going to go up against 2 people. We do have to reload long before I do that. So I'm just gonna rely on that, and hopefully it'll work. So yeah, we'll check back in when something ends. Okay, they're coming. He's coming. Michael's coming. No. Okay. I'm a kind of noob. Hey! Oh my gosh! Wait, what? Wait, if you hit the gun, does it count? Okay, I guess it doesn't count, whatever. Alright. Noob. You're gonna die! I got 12 of these! No! Oh, okay. I have 1 life, dude. Okay, so this might be a lot shorter than planned. I have 1 life, and I think Michael does, and the Archimedillo has 2, I think. Might have to double check on that, but yeah, we're going to pause the game and regroup and just gotta collect our darts. So yeah. Okay, so actually, I didn't hit Archimedillo, we call him Archie. I didn't hit him at all. So he's still at 3, I'm at 1, and Michael's at 1. If I can just hit Michael before he hits me, I think I might be able to win. So let's see if we can get that to happen. Hopefully, it will happen. So yeah, also, if you're wondering about the mask, I don't know. Okay, I guess we are starting, so yeah. Just gotta get Michael up. Okay, we're ready! Okay, I got it. I'm going. Just gonna hang over here. Oh, there's Archimedillo, crap! lose. So yeah. We won. Oh, we changed teammates. I get Archmadillo, and Michael's by himself. He's gonna get wrecked. This one's gonna be a little bit shorter. He gets 3, but we each get 2. So yeah, we're gonna destroy him this time. And if we don't, I'm gonna change the title of this video to "I Suck at Nerf." Okay, guess it's time. Wait, you died? How? You're already. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. Wait. Were we doing this on different? Were we? Oh yeah, we were. Okay, never mind. We're doing a sudden death round. So yay, we win. I don't have to call this video "I Suck at Nerf." So yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want more stuff like this, let me know, and I can totally do that. So yeah, I will see you guys next one. Bye.